Welcome to JCA Connect. In the last presentation, we left with this problem. So here he's asking us to calculate the wheel load stress at interior edge corner region of cement concrete pavement using Westergaard's stress equation. Also determine the probable location where the crack is likely to develop due to corner loading. He has given a wheel load, that is capital P 5100 kg. Modulus of elasticity of cement concrete E is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 5 kg per centimeter square. Next, pavement thickness small h 18 centimeters. Poisson's ratio of concrete mu 0.15. Modulus of subgrade reaction K 6 into 6 kg per centimeter cube. Radius of contact area small a 15 centimeters, right? So write the given data and hope you have tried. So here, can you guess the flow? So we'll be writing the given data, then we'll check the radius of relative stiffness small l, then to calculate SI, that is stress in the interior edge and corner, we need to have what all data minimum of, in the formula just check, we need to have wheel load. He has directly given 5100 h, thickness of the slab he has given 18 centimeter, L as the first I have mentioned, radius of relative stiffness. We will be calculating what else, B, small b. So to calculate small b, what we need to do, we need to do minimum of the check, that is whether it is less than 1.74 or not. And if it is less than 1.74, then we will be using the formula b is equal to square root of 1.6 a square plus h square minus 675.675 h, right? By that we can calculate b. And what else is required to calculate the stresses? Yes, these four are sufficient. So two of them he has given directly, and the rest two, that is radius of relative stiffness L and B, will be calculating. So let's start. So here I am writing the given data. P is equal to 5100 kg. Next, E value, how much, 3 into 10 raised to 5 kg per centimeter square. H 18 centimeters, mu 0.15, K 6, and small a is 15 centimeters. So first we'll calculate radius of relative stiffness small l, right? Radius of relative stiffness L is equal to EH cube divided by 12K 1 minus mu square whole raised to 1 by 4. Let's put the values. E is how much? E is 3 into 10 raised to 5. H is 18 centimeters divided by 12. K is how much? 6. 1 minus mu is 0.15. 1 raised to 1 by 4. So use the calculator and check the values. So we are getting 70.6 centimeters. Radius of relative stiffness. Next step is second. That is we need to calculate the equivalent resisting section, that is B. We need to calculate. Before calculation of B, we need to check for A by H. A is how much? 15, whereas H is 18. Let's calculate how much is 15 by 18. 0.833, which is less than 1.74. So we need to calculate B using the formula. What is the formula? B is equal to square root of 1.6 A square plus H square minus 0.675 H. Put the values and get the value of B. How much is B? Getting 14 centimeters. Next is stress at the interior. We'll calculate the stress. You know the formula is I is equal to 0.316 P by H square into bracket 4 log 10 L by B plus 1.069. So you know the values, just put the values and get the result. 0.316, P is 5100, H is 18 centimeter square, 4 log L is how much? Radius of relative stiffness we have calculated 70.6. B is we calculated as 14 plus 1.069. Use the calculator to get the values. Hope you are getting 19.29. So we can write 19.3 kg per centimeter square. This is SI interior. Stress at the interior. Next is stress at edge. SE. So you know the formula, SE is equal to 0.572 P divided by square bracket 4 log L by B plus 0.359. Put the values 0.572 5100, H square is 18 square, 4 log onto the base, L is 70.6, 14 plus 0.359. Use a calculator to get the results. Hope you are getting the same 28.53994. So you can write 28.54. kg per centimeter square. Next is stress at the corner. Stress at the corner. You know the formula. SC is equal to 3p by h square bracket 1 minus bracket a root of 2 divided by L bracket raised to 0.6. Put the values 5100. A is how much? 15. Square root of 2. L is 70.6. Use the calculator. Solve. We are getting 24.27 kg per centimeter square. That is SC. Next is they have asked us to find the probable location where the crack is likely to develop due to corner loading. Now, location where corner load crack develops. Distance from the corner of the slab that is x is equal to 2.58 square root of a into L. 2.58 is how much? 15. L is 70.6. So 2.58 to square root of 15 into 70.6. 83.959. So you can write 83.96 centimeters, or you can write 84 centimeters. That is the distance from the corner. Thank you very much. Please do like and subscribe.